Hey guys, what's up? In this video, we will see how to set up the local development environment for building smart contract in Smart Pi. So if you guys do not know what Smart Pi is a way to write smart contract in Python for Tezos blockchain. And from now on, you will be seeing a lot of videos on Tezos and development on blockchain. So I hope you're going to enjoy them. So first of all, we'll go to the smartpy.io website, which is the official website for SmartPy. So they do have a web IDE where you can directly compile the Smart Pi code and see the output in a nicely formatted manner. But if you want to do the development using the local machine, or if you want to compile the code locally, so how would you do it, right? So in order to do it, first of all, you need to install the Smart Pi CLI, which allows you to compile the Smart Pi code. So we are here, and all you need to do is just install this. So when you install it, so you will get these files, okay? So you just need to copy and paste it in your terminal and install it. Now I have already installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. But I will show you one thing. If I do alias Smart Pi, so you can see now when you are going to install it, it will install the folder. It will create a folder called smartpy.cli in the home directory. So let me go to the home directory here. So you can see these are the files that will be created, right? Now let's talk about how to compile a code, right? So first of all, if you're directly going to use this specific folder, then you need to do something like your home directory and then do smartpy CLI, then smartpy sh, right? But it's not a good idea to type everything, right? So what you can do is basically you can create an alias that will save your life. So if you open your zshrc, or if you're using the bash, then you need to open your bashrc file. And if you scroll all the way down, so here I have actually created an alias that I will show you. So if I just look for Smart Pi, so you can see I have created an alias which is basically pointing to the Smart Pi sh file. Okay, so now what it allows me to do is I can just type Smart Pi and then I can run whatever I want to do. Alright, so this is fine. Now let's talk about how we can compile it, right? So for this demonstration, I will go somewhere. Let me just pull some of the code. Actually, I do have some code in my local machine. So I'll go to a demo project. Let's go to this folder, bitrite. And here you can see you have a folder called contract, right? Now it contains various contracts, right? So in the one contract is the streaming payments. Let's open it in Vim. Okay, so you can see this is the code for the streaming payment contract. And you can see we have the test here, and also at the end this is something you need to write, which is the add compilation target. It takes the argument of the name of the target and then the contract itself. So here you need to provide a contract, and also if your contract is taking some initial argument, then obviously you need to provide them as well. So in my case it was taking an honor, which is just an address, so I just did this. So let me show you what I mean from this. So if you go all the way up, you will find the Smart Pi. You will find the streaming payment contract. So this is that contract here, streaming payment. So you can see it is actually taking a argument called honor, right? So this is the reason why we have provided the honor in the add compilation target. So once this thing is done, once you have set the compilation target, now also remember you cannot directly use this thing. If you're importing any template from the SmartPy web ID, then obviously you need to change it to the import script from URL and then provide the whole URL. Okay, so I'm just going to vertically split it and come back here. Let's reduce some size, reduce the size, and now here I'm going to open my terminal. So now you will see that we have the file called streaming payments. So we can do Smart Pi, which was the alias that we have created earlier, then compile, and then you need to provide the file which is streaming payment, and then you need to specify the output directory. So here I can just type output and hit enter. So what it will do, it will compile the Smart Pi code and put the output in the output directory. So if you see here, you will get the output directory. Now if you go inside the output directory, you will find some of the files, right? And the scenario is .json is the one you need, but you can see if you try to cat any one of these like script pr, it is just going to put cat your whole code. So yeah, this is how you can compile your whole code. If you want to know more about Smart Pi, let me know what you want to know. I will be making more videos about Smart Pi and development on top of Tezos blockchain in general. So I will probably cover a full stack web application as well if you want me to. So if you have any specific video topic idea, then just comment below and I will make a video on it. Bye.